Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
फ्लोमीटर कितली घालपा जाय पुणे पाइपलाइन 30 years 40 years जो पाइपलाइन आहे तो तुवें कित प्रपोजल घायला बजेटाक तुवें कितले पयशे मागले आखे गोंयभर ताका लागून तुका हाडलो न्हू आजी न्याय मिनिस्टर म्हणून तो आन्सर दिना की बाबा आपण 500
व्हेरी इनिशियल हर घर जल तूं अवॉर्ड घेवन आहलो गोवा इज प्राऊड महाजान सकाळ आनी एक कितें सांगिल्लें ते भाशेन त्याच पद्दतीन जल ना नळूय ना कांयच ना तूं टेम्पररी हे सरकार जे मेगा प्रोजेक्ट तुम्ही परमिशन दिताय तेतून बंद कोतले सो दॅट गोवन्स गेट वॉटर
आमचे टोटल जो सप्लाय जातलो तो 1000 mld
3 months time
in 3 months time. In 3 months time, it would go to 800, and by December 26, before the elections, we will get 1000 mld of water.
Will the government clarify when the state-wide audit of aging water infrastructure and installation of the universal flow metering will be undertaken to control leakages?
The 30%, to the extent of 30% to 50%, आमकां परत एक फावटी leakages आसा त्यो plug in करपाक मेळटल्यो. So all these measures are being taken and flow meter घालून आमी एक्झॅक्टली खंय लॉसेस आसा ते पळोवपाचे प्रयत्न करतात.
ते प्लेसीन आमची कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी उदका प्रॉब्लम आहा
ताका इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक लायता ज्या जाग्याचेर त्या आंबेलीम पंचायत म्हणटा ती व्हडली पंचायत आसा एका वार्डाचेर खंय जायना जर जायत वी विल लूक इनटू इट. रायट नाव वी हॅव टेकन अप रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ 270 kilometers of line and that will get completed within another 3-4 months. In the coming year we have proposed to get another 500 kilometers of line out of 2000 because we need to replace 2000 kilometers of line. But as per our budget availability, we would take up this work phase wise आणि 500 kilometer घेऊन आम्ही करपाचे आसा. If at the same time we have requested the central government because I have been to the union ministry and we have forwarded our proposal for replacing all 200 kilometers of line which would cost something around 1200 crores. But at a time, if it is possible, partly आमकां जर सरकारान गोवा सरकारान दिले आणि partly जर आमकां union governmentan दिले, central governmentan दिले, जाल्यार we would be able to complete this task within 1.5 years of time.